Today I have... Really? That says hardened? That is not hardened. There took a file to it somewhere. Anyways, dollar store combination. So let's see if we can get it. Double shackle. There. Mary locked in. Loosen up. Again. And there you go. Although that kind of looked like it was looking at the combination while I was doing it. So there. Locked in. Release a bit. Release a bit. There we go. In and open. Out. So yeah, these things are fun, but can't do it too much or else the dial starts coming off. I'd like to see if the master locks are that easy to open up, or the... Totally forgot. Anyways, yeah, I'd like to try a number of combination locks. See if they're all as easy to open as this. And yes, you can shim this, no problem. I've actually done it with a plastic bottle. Anyways, see you later.